Okay, hey everybody. This is Amanda Bridges. It's December 3rd, 2024. Can't believe this year is already almost finished. That's just crazy. Well, this is my 33rd video. I took last week off because it was, Thanksgiving holiday week. So I didn't make a video last week about my tools in my toolbox. I only have 6 videos left to make of all my tools, and then I would have made 39 videos. So I'm going to maybe be able to squeeze them in by the end of this year, 2024. So my tool this week that is very important to me, that I look at all the time, and I have a whole bunch of them in my jewelry box in my bedroom, and I wear them. You probably see when I'm doing my videos, when I'm talking, and I talk with my hands sometimes, but I have lots and lots and lots and lots and lots and lots, and then here's more over here, jewelry. That is my vice, but I'm in control of me buying jewelry, but I love jewelry. I don't buy Gucci bags, and I don't buy Michael Kors, whatever. I buy things at Walmart, LOL, or on Amazon as cheap as possible. But jewelry is what makes me smile, and I have a whole bunch of it, and I started collecting jewelry, I don't know, about 20 years ago, maybe before that, 25, 30 years ago. But I like the big stones, sparkly, colored stones, and I like seeing what I can buy on sale that's real jewelry, sterling silver, or gold, 10 karat gold over sterling silver. I even wrote a book. Oh, I should have brought my book, because I wrote a published book about bling bling, facts about what's true and what's false about jewelry. And so I love jewelry. Oh, there's my little necklace that says gratitude on it. So I love being able to pick out my, accessorize. I have my little Christmas trees because I love Christmas time. And I have hundreds, well, a couple of hundred rings probably, and lots and lots of bracelets, but that's what I love. So that's what I like doing, and I like saying, which ring, bracelets, earrings, and necklaces am I going to wear today? And got to fix my collar so I look more presentable in my video. So my tool for this week are my pieces of jewelry. So I have lots of tools, and I get to swap them out, and it's fun. And I like, of course, accessorizing the colors with my outfit that I'm wearing. And so that's what I like. Some people don't give two hoots and a holler about jewelry. Just like I don't give two hoots and a holler about managing yard work, or I don't give two hoots and a holler about having a farm and all these animals and whatever. I do jewelry. So that's why God gave all of us our own little gifts, and he made me like this, and God is great, and I am awesome. And so that's my tool number 33 for this week, my jewelry. And I really hope this has helped, this series of videos has helped somebody not be so scared about a diagnosis, because it's been now almost 16 months since I was diagnosed. And I don't dwell on that. I'd rather dwell on my tools in my toolbox. And I hope this has been helpful for somebody. And if I can do it, you can do it. And you don't have to freak out and be so scared and terrified. and you do what your gut tells you to do. And so my tool making these videos is what my gut told me to do way back in like February or March of 2024. And I've made, this is my 33rd video. So I hope this is helpful. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I appreciate it. And Amanda Bridges signing off. Okie dokie. Bye.